Hello everyone, my name is Yulrika. I belong to St. Anthony's Parish, Malvani. At one Shalom Youth prayer meeting, Brother asked us a question: Who is Jesus? I was very confident I knew the answer. Jesus is God, second person of the Holy Trinity, so on and so forth, teacher, healer. He asked us another question: Who is Jesus to you? Do you know Jesus? Or do you know about Jesus? Which made me realize yes, I knew a lot about Jesus, but I didn't know the person of Jesus. I didn't know this great God, this mighty King. I had no idea who He is. Because you see, I had kept Jesus in the church, I had kept Jesus in the Blessed Tabernacle, but I had never invited Him into my life. Yes, of course, when I'm scared, Jesus, please help me. But apart from that, nothing. And slowly through the prayer meetings, through the sessions, through the Bible sharings, Brother encouraged me to have a personal relationship with Jesus, to invite Him in every aspect of my life. And as I did so, I realized how much He does for me. At first, I was surprised, but today I am no longer surprised. I am just simply amazed and in awe of all that He has done in my life. Whether it is protection, whether it is caring, whether it is taking care of me, whether it is planning something that I will need years from now, but making sure I do it. I am simply amazed by how much He loves me, He cares for me, and how much He does for me. There is so much that He has done that if I go to name it all, we are going to be here for I think a couple of years. And many incidents come to my mind. But just to name a few, while the entire Mumbai was struggling with the deluge, 26 July, the Lord had already kept me safe. He had already prepared a home for me. I just missed the train that had the bomb in it during the train bomb blast. I have been saved countless number of times. I can't even number all of them. And it's not only His hand of protection, it's His hand of guidance. He's always there. And I am just grateful to Him for sending me instruments in my life who've led me to Him. I'm thankful to Brother Savio, his family, to the Shalom family, and to both my families who always encourage me to grow in my relationship with Jesus. Yes, it's not been a perfect relationship. He's been perfect, definitely. But me, I've had my shortcomings. But I only know one thing, that God is love. And no matter what, He loves me. So no matter how many times I fall, how many times I stumble, how many times I don't listen, which is quite many, He is there. He always holds my hand. Thank you, Jesus.